Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, and in this tutorial I will show you how to completely uninstall a program from your Windows 10 or 11. Completely means the right way to install the program. Normally when we open the simply control panel or go to add and remove programs, then select here the large icons, or you can select the category, then go to uninstall programs, and once you see these kind of option, you just uninstall the software from here. But by this way software doesn't remove completely from your Windows. So let me show you how you can remove it permanently. So first step, I'm pretty sure you have already done this step. When you go to programs and features, select that option, hit uninstall, and once you see the uninstall button, the program should come up like this. Uninstall it, delete the data files. Now it's gone now, but this is not the, just open the C drive, programs, and go to C drive here, then go to programs files and search that similar software is there or not. In my case, as you can see here, video LAN is there, so there is some data on it, you can see here. So you need to delete this folder as well. So press shift and delete on your keyboard and delete it. Give the full permission now. So once right click and try to delete it. If it is saying already open, so you can restart your Windows and then you can try it, or even you can rename it. So again go to the programs file 86 and look for the same program, whether the program is installed here or not. If it is installed here, just delete it. You can see here that one. So delete it completely. Once you delete it completely guys, press Windows and R key on your keyboard. Simply open the run command on the search and type here percentage local app data and percentage and hit the OK key. Now go to these options again and you should be able to see the same software cache is there or not. If you are able to see the cache is here still, so you can again go to like this and simply delete it. Shift delete, and VMware I have. So PC health check, if I check here, yeah, I have this program, so I cannot delete this. You only need to uninstall that program which you don't have. So once you deleted that, restart your Windows and you are good to go. So this is how guys. So that's all for this video guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.